Length of a plane curve, arc length formula. If f prime of x is continuous on a, b, then the arc length of the curve y equal to fx on the interval a to b is given by is equal to integral of a to b square root of 1 plus f prime of x squared dx. For the polar curve, length equals to integral of a to b in square root of r squared plus dr over d theta square d theta. Example, find the length of the line y equal to x from x equal to 0 to x equals to 4. So you have your solution. Solution is equals to integral a to b square root of 1 plus y prime square dx. Y prime is equals to 1. So your is equals to integral of 0 to 4 square root of 1 plus 1 square. So that one is dx. So equal to square root of 2 integral of 0 to 4 dx equals to square root of 2 x to the power 0 to 4 equals to 4 square root of 2. Find the length of the curve y equal to 2/3 x to the power 3 halves from x equal to 0 to x equal to 3. So this one is x is equal to 3. So your solution y equals to 2/3 x to the power 3 over 2. So your y prime equals to 2/3 3 all over 2 x to the power 1/2 or equals to x to the power 1/2. So your is equals to the integral of 0 to 3 square root of 1 plus x to the power 1/2 square, of course, times dx equals to the square root of 0 to 3 square root of 1 plus x dx equals to the square root of 0 to 3 1 plus x to the power 1/2 dx equals to 1 plus x to the power 3 all over 2 over 3 all over 2 0 to 3 equals to 2 over 3 1 plus 3 power 3 all over 2 minus 1 plus 0, 3 all over 2 equals to 2 over 3 times square root of 16 times 4 minus square root of 1 equals to 14 all over 3. Find the length of the curve y equal to x square root of x from x equal to 0 to x equal to 4 third. So, solution is equals to integral of square root of 1 plus e prime of x squared dx. Y equals to x to the power 3 all over 2. So y prime equals to 3 all over 2 x to the power 1 half. So your is equals to integral of 0, 4 all over 3 square root of 1 plus 3 all over 2 x to the power 1 half square, and that one is dx. So equals to integral of 0, 4 all over 3 square root of 1 plus 9 over 4 x dx equals to integral of 0, 4 over 3 1 plus 9 over 4 x to the power 1 half dx. Is equals to integral of 1 plus 9 over 4 x to the power 1 half dx. U equals to 1 plus 9 over 4 x du equals to 9 over 4 dx. So is equals to integral of 0, 4 over 3 1 plus 9 over 4 x to the power 1 half, then 9 over 4 dx over 9 over 4. So equals to 4 over 9 times 2 all over 3 times 1 plus 9 4 x to the power 3 all over 2, then you have 4 third. Or equals to 8 over 27 times 1 plus 9 over 4 times 4 third to the power 3 over 2. Minus 1 plus 0, 3 halves to the power, or equivalent to 8 over 27 times 1 plus 3 to the power 3 all over 2 minus 1 to the power 3 all over 2. Or equivalent to 8 over 27 times square root of 4 cubed minus 1 equals to 8 over 27 times 4 times 2 minus 1 equals to 56 over 27. Calculate the total length of a curved cardioid r of x equal to 2 plus 2 cosine theta. We have that one from letter A, from theta equal to 0 to theta equals to pi. In letter B, total length of the curve. So this is the total figure, the graph of the curve 2 plus 2 cosine theta. So this one, curve is 2 plus 2 cosine theta. So find the total length of this curve. First is we have to have 0 up to 2 to pi. In multiply that 1 by 2, that represents the total curve. So solution. Here that 1d is equals to square root of r square plus r prime square d theta, where r equals to 2 plus 2 cosine theta, r prime equals to 0 plus 2 times minus sine theta d theta, or r square equals to 4 plus 8 cosine theta plus 4 cosine squared theta. So your d is equals to square root of 4 plus 8 cosine theta plus 4 cosine squared theta plus 4 sine squared theta, of course d theta, equals to 2 square root of 1 plus 2 cosine theta plus cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta d theta. But cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta equals to 1. So equals to 2 square root of 2 plus 2 cosine theta d theta. So your d is equals to 2 square root of 2 square root of 1 plus cosine theta d theta. So 4 square root of 1 plus cosine theta by rationalization. Square root of 1 plus cosine theta times square root of 1 minus cosine theta over square root of 1 minus cosine theta. That one becomes equals to square root of 1 minus cosine squared theta over square root of 1 minus cosine theta. Equivalent to square root of sine squared theta over square root of 1 minus cosine theta. So for letter A is equals to 2 times square root of 2 integral from 0 to pi sine theta over square root of 1 minus cosine theta d theta equals to 2 square root of 2 integral 0 to pi 1 minus cosine theta minus 1/2 sine theta. U equals to 1 minus cosine theta. Du equals to minus sine theta or equals to sine theta d theta. So is equals to 2 square root of 2 times 1 minus cosine theta to the power 1/2 all over 1/2 0 to pi. So equals to 2 square root of 2 square root of 1 minus cosine pi minus square root of 1 minus cosine 0 equals to 1 is times 2 equals to 4 equals to 4 square root of 2 times square root of 1 minus 1 minus square root of minus 1 equals to 4 square root of 2 times square root of 2 minus 0 equals to 4 times 2 equals to 8. So letter B, total length 2 times 8 equals to 16.